Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set up focus time in Teams. So let's get started. Using the powerful Viva Insights application within Microsoft Teams is the easiest way to protect your schedule and carve out distraction-free time for prioritized tasks. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams and clicking on the three dots in the left sidebar to access your app tray. Search for and open the Viva Insights application. Once the app loads, click the three dots icon at the top of the Viva Insights interface and select Settings. Within the Settings panel, navigate to the Protect Time section. Scroll down until you see the Focus Plan option and click on Getting Started. The Setup wizard will then guide you through customizing your focus time. You will first choose how many focus hours you would like scheduled per day. Next, select your preferred time of day for these blocks to occur, whether it's the morning, afternoon, or automatically determined based on your calendar availability. A crucial option is selecting whether you want your team's notifications muted during this focus time, which automatically engages Do Not Disturb mode to maximize concentration. Once you have configured your preferences, click Looks Good, and your focus plan will be set up. Viva Insights will now intelligently scan your calendar and automatically book the recurring focus blocks, making this a powerful tool for boosting productivity. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.